हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू एग्जाम वर्ड। और CUET पीजी एक्सपीरियंस के लिए आ गया एक नया वीडियो, एक और इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक जिसमें से कि डेफिनेटली क्वेश्चंस बनते रहे हैं और आगे भी बनते रहेंगे। तो अपने कॉपी और पेन निकाल लीजिएगा, नोट्स बनाते रहिएगा वीडियो के बीच में। ओके, यू विल डेफिनेटली गेट 1 or 2 क्वेश्चंस इन योर एग्जामिनेशन। ओके, सो bring your notebooks and pen into your hands and start making notes. So what's the today's topic? Today's topic is newspapers and their editors or owners. Okay, an interesting topic. Okay, see, when the Indian freedom movement has started, it has seen various phases during it. Okay, one of that phase is Gandhian phase, one of the phases revolutionary phase, one of the phases pre-Gandhian phase or the Indian National Congress era that we have seen from 1885. Okay, so this newspapers they have played an important role in any era of Indian nationalism. Okay, they have played role in social reforms. Raja Ram Mohan Roy has used newspapers as a medium of social reforms. Okay, Britishers has used it. Christian missionary used it as a mode to spread Christianity. Okay, as everyone knows that after the Charter Acts, Christian missionaries were allowed in India. Okay, we are going to read about Charter Act in details in our live classes because it's a very broad topic. Okay, and if I get time, then I'll surely make a brief video about Charter Acts on YouTube. Okay, so newspaper has acts as a medium in each and every era of Indian national movement. Okay, whether it's pre-Congress, whether it's Congress, whether it's Gandhian movements or revolutionary movements. Okay, every revolutionary organization has used newspaper as a medium of their revolts, as a medium to spread their mandate, what they are trying to do, why they are doing it. Okay, we will read about it in our live classes, that how newspaper has affected the Indian national movement, what the role that press and what the role governor generals has played in the development of press in colonial India. Okay, whether it's censorship act or the press act which has been brought by the colonial government of India. Okay, we will read about them in very detail in our live classes. Okay, so let's start our topic. First is the name of the journal and papers, the year and place from which they published, and the founder and editor. Okay, these all are important. CUET PG can ask whatever of this. Anything out of this can be asked in your exam. They can give only one column with the newspaper name, second column with the year and place, or second column with the founder and editor. Okay, anything can be asked. So it's a humble request to all of you. Please take a note of all of this. Okay. First paper, Bengal Gazette. It was not a paper, it was a weekly journal that was published by James Augustus Hickey. Okay, it was a weekly journal that was published by James Augustus Hickey. He was a very famous person in the Indian history. Please note down the year and place. It was in the 1780, Calcutta. He has introduced Indian to the power of press. What role can press played? Okay, what role can be played by the press in the faster circulation of information? How can information be circulated at faster rates? Okay, he has introduced Indians to the faster sources of information. James Augustus Hickey, Bengal Gazette. Please remember this. Second one is India Gazette. It was published in English, by the way. Okay, so don't get confused. It was published in English. India Gazette. It is published in 1787, Calcutta. Henry Louis Vivian Derozio. Very important. Okay, Henry Louis Vivian Derozio. Very important part of Indian modern history. Okay, because of his reforms. Contemporary of Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Not so difference between Raja Ram Mohan Roy and Henry Louis Vivian Derozio. He is an important part of Indian modern history. Please, 1787, Calcutta, Henry Louis Vivian de Rosio. Okay. Next, Madras Courier. Madras Courier was the first paper from Madras province, today's Chennai. Okay, from Madras province, it was the first paper. It was published in 1784 from Madras by Richard Johnston. He was a British journalist, Richard Johnston. Okay, please take a note of his. Richard Johnston. He was a British journalist. Okay, he has published Madras Courier 1784, which is today's Chennai. Next, Bombay Herald. Very important paper for your exam. It has been asked in previous exams, or you are preparing for any other exams other than CUET PG. It's an important newspaper. Please take a note of this newspaper, Bombay Herald. Okay, very famous newspaper, especially because it was the first paper from Bombay province. Okay, it was the first paper from Bombay province. Please take a note of this paper, Bombay Herald. It is published in 1789 in Bombay. Okay. William Ashburner, another important figure of British colonial government. William Ashburner. Okay, we will talk about in detail in our live classes about William Ashburner, what was his role and why he was so important. Okay. Indian Herald, it was also in English. Indian Herald, 1795 Madras, today's Chennai, as I have told you. It was R. Williams and it was published by Humphreys. Humphreys is the name for it's the name for brothers, Humphrey brothers. There used to be Humphrey brothers who was the editor of this newspaper, Indian Herald. Okay, they were the brothers who has become the editor of Indian Herald. Okay, Digdarshan. It is one of the few Indian newspapers at that time. One of the very few Indian newspapers that were at that time. Okay, Digdarshan was one of those. Digdarshan, one of the watershed movements in the press history of India. Digdarshan of Kolkata. Okay, 1818. John Clark Marshman. John Clark Marshman was the founder of Kolkata, Digdarshan from Kolkata. Okay, Bengal Gazette. This is another Bengal Gazette. Don't confuse it with the real Bengal Gazette that we have discussed. Bengal Gazette was the first weekly journal of India. This Bengal Gazette is different. It was published in 1818 from Kolkata. Okay, and it was established by published by the J.S. Buckingham. J.S. Buckingham, and it has an Indian editor. It was a huge step for an Indian to become an editor of a newspaper which was published by a Britisher. It was a huge step. It was a achievement in itself. Harishchandra Ray, a very well-known name in press history of India. Harishchandra Ray. Okay, there are few unsung heroes of our Indian national movement, and Harishchandra Ray is one of them. Okay, we will discuss about him when we got time. I'll make a video on unsung heroes of Indian national movement if I got the time, because these are the heroes of our Indian national movement, those who didn't get their due respect in our history textbooks. Okay, Harishchandra Ray is one of them. Harishchandra Ray has become the editor of Bengal Gazette, which was owned by the J.S. Buckingham. Okay, now Samvad Kaumudi, please make a star on Samvad Kaumudi, since it is related with Raja Ram Mohan Roy, a man who needs no introduction. Okay, one of the greatest social reformer of India, one of the most important part of Indian history. But since last few years, there is a growing debate around Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Whatever he has done for Sati, whether it can be used as a judgment to judge the whole Indian society. Okay, whenever he has talked about the Sati, whether he has talked about in Bengal only or the all remaining provinces of India. Okay, there's a growing debate around Raja Ram Mohan Roy whether to dual check his historicity. Okay, whether he has been judged whether he has been judged correctly by the historians. Okay, there's a growing debate around it. So that's a different debate. You don't have to go into that. That's a very different topic from altogether different topic from your exam preparation. So just remember the Samvad Kaumudi 1821 by the Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Okay, Sammat Kaumudi by Raja Ram Mohan Roy, 1821. Miratul Akhbar, it is also an important one. It was published in Persian, I think, if I am not correct. Please double check this fact that it was published in Persian or not. Miratul Akhbar, 1822, Kolkata. It was also published by Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Okay, 1822, 1821, 1822. Both are the years in which Raja Ram Mohan Roy has published newspaper. First one was Sammat Kaumudi, second one was Miratul Akhbar. Okay, just confirm the language in which Miratul Akhbar was published. I am not sure of the language that it was published. Okay, please double check the language in Miratul Akhbar was Jami Jahanuma, Hariyar Datta, another pioneer of press history of India. Okay, Jami Jahanuma, it's in 1822, Calcutta. There are many names that you are hearing for the first time. Okay, there are many names that you are hearing for the first time. I don't think anyone has remembered Hariyar Datta, one of the pioneers of press history of India. Okay, no worries, when you come in live classes, you will get to hear about all of these people which I am talking here. Bang Datta is in 1822. Ram Mohan Roy, Dwarkanath Tagore and others. Sorry, Dwarkanath Tagore, everyone is familiar of, such a familiar name in Indian history. Dwarkanath Tagore and others, and Ram Mohan Roy. Okay, Bombay Samachar, Furdunji Mazbanji, another important name. Okay, when you search his name, Furdunji Mazbanji, there's the article that you will find on Google. Please go through it. It's an important article if you really want to read about this man, Furdunji Mazbanji. He is also an important character in Indian history. When you read that article, you will get to know how much he has contributed to the Indian press history. Okay, Furdunji Mazbanji, such a legendary figure in press history. East Indian, since 19th century, 1838, Henry Vivian Rossio. Again, Henry Louis Vivian Rossio, we have talked about it. Okay, Rast Goftar. Please make a star on this. Rast Goftar. It can be asked in your exam. It was published in 1851. Founded by Dadabhai Naoroji. One of the most important leaders of Indian national movement. Dadabhai Naoroji, 1851. Okay. One of the few economic critique of British Empire. Okay. There are many books written by Dadabhai Naoroji also. We will discuss them in another separate lecture. Okay. Hindu Patriot, 1853, Kolkata. Please take a note of the editors. Okay. It is very important newspaper, Hindu Patriot. It can be asked in your exams. Please take a note of it. 1853 in Kolkata. Girish Chandra Ghosh. Later Harish Chandra Mukherjee become owner cum editor. Okay. Please take a note of the Girish Chandra Ghosh and Harish Chandra Mukherjee. Okay. Now, Som Prakash was the first Indian newspaper which was started in Indian language. Som Prakash, it was in Bengali, if I am not wrong. It was in Bengali. Founder was Dwarkanath Vidyabhushan. Okay. Please take a note of Som Prakash. Indian Mirror, early 1862, Devendranath Tagore. Take a note of it. Since Devendranath Tagore is an important and a legendary figure of Indian national movement, Devendranath Tagore. So please, Indian Mirror. Okay. Bengali, established by Girish Chandra Ghosh, S.N. Banerjee. One of the first ICS officers of India. Okay. Which has today become Indian Administrative Service, IAS. One of the very first ICS officers of India, S.N. Banerjee sir. Girish Chandra Ghosh was the founder and later taken over by the S.N. Banerjee sir. Okay. National paper, 1865, Devendranath Tagore. Again, National paper and Indian Mirror. Please take a note of these both of these papers. National paper and Indian Mirror. Please take a note of this both. Madras Mail, Charles Lawson and Henry Cornish. These both are British journalists. Okay, Charles Lawson and Henry Cornish. These both are the British journalist, 1868. चार्ल्स लॉसन एंड हेनरी कॉर्निश. अमृता बाजार पत्रिका, शिशिर कुमार घोष एंड मोतीलाल घोष. ओके, अमृत बाजार पत्रिका, जसौर डिस्ट्रिक्ट, शिशिर कुमार घोष एंड मोतीलाल घोष. It is not, you can skip this newspaper, Amrit Bazar Patrika. It was not as important as other newspapers since it has not been asked. I hope it won't be asked in upcoming exams. Okay, I'll tell you which one was important. I have mentioned them here because I don't want you to get nervous during exam. Okay, I don't want you to get nervous during the main examination. कोई ऐसा पेपर आ जाए जो आपने ना सुना हो, फिर आप बोलो अरे यार ये कहाँ से आ गया, कहाँ से पूछ लिया. Okay, I don't want that to happen with you guys in exams regarding newspaper. Okay, Bang Darshan, another not so important newspaper by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee and Robert Knight. Okay, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee and Robert Knight. Indian statesman, 1875, Kolkata. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee and Robert Knight. Okay. The Hindu, a newspaper which needs no introduction or whatsoever. The Hindu, please take a note of it. It was published in 1878, Madras. G.S. Iyer, Veer Raghavachari and Subbarao Pandit. Okay, a newspaper which needs no introduction, everyone is familiar of its name, The Hindu. Okay, and Tribune, an important newspaper in today's time. Tribune is a very good newspaper if you read it. It's a very good newspaper if you have read it. 1881, Lahore. It was established from Lahore. Dayal Singh Majitiya. Okay, Dayal Singh Majitiya. So this is all about the newspaper and journals was important during the British colonial period. Okay, thank you everyone. This is our official mail and this is my mail. You can also mail me. Okay, you can also mail on ExamVert official channel. Live classes are going on for ExamVert. Live classes are going for your course PGQP11, which was your course code PGQP11 history. Live classes are going on. You can join at any time. You will be provided with recorded classes also, which has been taken place from 2nd of Jan. Okay, you will be provided with recorded classes. You will be provided with recorded classes. Okay, so please join the batch. You will get official Telegram link in description of this video. Please subscribe to that channel and please subscribe to the ExamVert official YouTube channel to get updates on your history videos. Okay, thank you everyone. Keep studying.